Automatic, Addison.
In this tutorial, we will learn how to use the RQT console tool to analyze and debug your robotic system in ROS2. The RQT console is a graphical user interface that displays log messages from various nodes in your ROS2 system, making it easier to identify and diagnose issues. Sure, you could run your program and scroll through the terminal window to see all the logs, but RQT console makes that process a lot more efficient, enabling you to filter for exactly what you are looking for. So let's get started. I'm going to close this. All right, let's get to it. Let's begin by starting the RQT console. I'm going to do ROS2 run RQT console, RQT console, enter. Okay, and let's just go through the sections here, a brief explanation. So the top section of the console is where log messages from your system will display. The middle section is where you can filter the messages by excluding different severity levels. And the bottom section is for highlighting messages that include a string that you input. So in the bottom section, let's just delete this. Bottom section, I'll just show you right here. See this blank right here? Let's type IMU data so we can highlight messages related to the IMU. IMU data. There we go. All right, now let's go over and open a new terminal window, and let's type the following command to launch the robot. And by the way, before I do that, let me just show you my alias. There you can see X3, my alias that launches everything. Okay. So let's type X3, launch this puppy. Wait for our robot to come fully up. All right. Now let's go to the RQT console. Okay. And let's check the message list. And you can see here, right here, that we have highlighted different log messages that have the string IMU data. Right here. Here's where so here up top, announcing the IMU topic. Here we had a log message that came through that showed the connection between ROS2, IMU data topic, and gazebo IMU data topic. This is the GZ ROS bridge, the gazebo ROS bridge, because our IMU is in simulation in gazebo, and we're funneling that data across the GZ ROS bridge over into ROS2. So this log message popped up. See if there's any others. No others. There we go. Okay, so that's how you highlight the different IMU related messages. Let's type another string. Let's type mecanum drive controller. And press enter. And here you can see we highlight all the messages that contain the string mecanum drive controller. So that's RQT console. Very useful tool when you want to be able to see specific messages in your terminal window that have specific criteria, specific strings in them. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and keep building.